What's the meaning of calyx? Calyx. Calyx.
Calyx. Calyx. A calyx refers to the outermost group of sepals that encloses and protects the developing flower and its reproductive structures. The sepals are typically small, green leaf-like structures that are located at the base of the flower stem. The most common function of the calyx is to serve as a protective layer for the delicate petals and reproductive structures of the flower. It also serves as an aid for pollinators, helping them to locate the nectar and pollen-producing parts of the flower. Calyces can take on a variety of shapes and sizes depending on the species of plant they belong to, and can be an important characteristic for plant identification.